Hey, designers! Let's quickly create a donut logo in Adobe Illustrator. Take the Ellipse tool. Draw a circle. Align it on the artboard. Create another smaller circle. Align it. Select both of them. Take the Shape Builder tool. Now press Alt and drag your mouse on this smaller circle. Now this has become a shape in which this is the hollow area. Let's color it now. This is the color palette that I am using. This looks good. Okay. Take the pen tool and draw a line here. Go to Effects, Distort and Transform. Zigzag. Make it smooth. Adjust the values of size and segments. OK. Select it. Go to Object, Expand Variance. Place it on the circle. Scale it up to match the circle. Now select all. Go to Windows, Pathfinder, and divide them. Right-click and ungroup them. Remove this area now. Now this being selected, go to Object, Path and Offset Path. Increase the offset value. OK. Give it black color. Now take the Text tool and write your text. Change color. Right-click and create outline. Go to Object, Path and Offset Path. 17 pixels. OK. Give it black color. For now, let's put it aside. Let's make small circles here. Give it pink color. Make more circles. Adjust their sizes. I'll adjust their position. Give them black stroke. OK. Now group them. Place donut text on top. Press Ctrl Alt and right square bracket to make it come on top. Adjust the size of the text. Take the star tool. Create a small star here. Color it. With the help of brush tool, let's add few sprinkles on it. Take the pink stroke and add few more. And you are done. If you have any question, ask in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.